Okay, now we have an example where we're adding two fractions, or rather two mixed numbers with different denominators, and they're not both prime numbers. So we're not exactly sure what they have in common. So let's do some work to find our least common denominator. We'll represent 24 and 8 as products of prime factors, or do the prime factorization. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 for 8, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 for 24. So our least common denominator is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 24. Now, if you could see that 24 and 8 both go into 24 evenly, and you can do this mentally, there's no need to do this step. But if you couldn't see that, or you're not sure, always do the prime factorization to find the least common denominator. Since our least common denominator is 24, we don't need to do anything to 5 and 7/24. However, we need to multiply 1/8 by 3/3 to get our denominators to be the same. So now we have 5 and 7/24 plus 11, and well, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 8 is 24. Now that we have common denominators, we can add the numerators and add the whole numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10 out of 24. 5 plus 11 is 16. So our first answer is 16 and 10/24, but this is not in simplest form, so let's go ahead and simplify it. I can see that both of these are even, so I'll divide the numerator and denominator by 2. I end up with 16 and 5/12. 16 and 5/12 is our final answer.